Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Mary Maidenhell. And if you want to see, if you're digging this look, if you want to see how this look was done, then keep on watching. Okay, so first we're going to start by grabbing the Chic Beauty eyeshadow palette. I love the browns on this one, specifically chocolate. I haven't digged chocolate right here. Burned, maybe onyx. We'll try and touch onyx a little bit. So we'll see how this goes. So I'm hoping that I don't ruin the look. It can't happen because I want to try using the Liquid Charts by Chic, the Blackout. I want to do like a glam look, glittery look. So we'll see how that turns out. Wish me luck because we're using black again, and black, it's my arch enemy. So first we're gonna go ahead and grab the color Organza just to set the eyes. That will be this one right here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start doing that. We're using a Juvia's Place brush. This one right here. They're like soft. Ooh, it's dirty. Okay, let's start with Organza. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and grab a smaller brush from the Juvia's Place as well. It is this one. Now we're going to grab the color Burnt, which is this color right here. And that, we're going to start placing that here, this part right here. So let's start putting it in there. Trying to get it in there as much as you can. Okay, I'm going to be grabbing the Morphe M503, this one right here. Okay, I'm just going to buff that out a little bit. Right here too. And now we're going to go in with the color Chocolate right here. Today's basically a get ready with me. Today's one of my friend's birthday party. His birthday was on the 17th, but he's celebrating it today, of course, because it's Saturday. So, yep. Oof, this one has a lot of fallout. So we'll see how that goes. We're going to be using that Liquid Charts like a lid topper and then wing it out. So I'm here hoping that it's gonna look good. Today's going to be basically a simple eye because we're using that black, so we have to, like, you know. Now I'm going to go in with that other brush the one that I was using before, the smaller one from Juvia's Place. This one right here. Actually, you know what? No, I'm using this one from Juvia's Place. Yep. And I'm going to go back to that color Organza, which is like the bone color. And I'm just going to soften this up a little bit, because it got intense quick. Okay, so that's the base for our eyes. Now we're going to go ahead and jump in on the liquid charts, which I'm a little afraid. I'm hoping that I don't ruin it. This is the one. It's like the black shimmery one. Has like silver reflex. So we're going to go ahead. Is this one right here? I currently own this one, the silvery one, which is this one right here. And I also have the other one. I haven't opened the package yet, but it's the one called Strike a Pose. I don't know if you can see it there. There you go. Strike a Pose. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. First, we're going to do the lid, the full eyelid, and then we'll wing it out using a different brush, not this Dofa. So let's try that. Ooh, look at that. Oof. So that's there. We're gonna wing it out in a little bit. So let's do the other side, and here I'm hoping that this is gonna work out. So let's see. It looks like a mess right now. Get it? It's not working here. There we go. Let's see. Still have to fill it in, but looks like a wing, so let's try that again. It's kind of cute. I'm gonna let that dry and then go ahead in again with the a little bit with the liquid charts in the color Blackout, and then just let me see if I find a different brush for that, because that one kinda sucks. So while that dries, I'm gonna go ahead and do my underneath my waterline. So we're just gonna go ahead and smoke it out with the same palette. I'm just grabbing a smaller brush. Let's see here. Where are you, darling? Oh, here you are. So I'm going to go ahead and be grabbing that chocolate color. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and putting it down here. I'm actually thinking about doing like some pop of something, some pop of color. Nah, let's just leave it like that. Let's just do the Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put some bottom eyeliner, some mascara, and some eyelashes. So, okay, lashes are on, mascara, eyeliner, and this is the look. Yeah, that was a little challenging. I don't think I'm ever doing it again. Yeah, so I did put a little bit of that ranch color from the Conspiracy palette in the inner corner to make it pop. So this is it. Okay, so I'm going to be wearing now the liquid lip berries on ice from Jeffree Star. So you can camera focus. There we go. Okay, guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and give me some love. Leave comments if you have any questions or anything of the makeup I used today. Yeah, and that's it. So thank you so much, and I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah.